You need this. This will change your life. This is the one thing you're missing. We hear it every day. A constant stream of things to buy, to own, to become. I had it all. Every viral product, every must-have item, and I had never felt more empty. So I decided to get rid of it. Leo was good at his job. He knew the angles, the lighting, the captions. He could sell water to a fish. He had built a life that looked perfect from the outside. But on the inside, he felt like a fraud. He was on a video call with his grandmother. She was in a simple, cozy room, knitting, looking right at him. She said, "Leo, my love, I see all the beautiful things you have. But tell me, what have you done lately? What have you learned? Who have you helped?" Leo was stumped. He looked around his room full of things. He had no answer. The question just hung there. Her question was a crack in the facade. He realized he had spent all his time acquiring things and no time acquiring experiences. He was a curator of stuff, not a creator of a life. So he began the great unboxing, in reverse. He packed away the identity he had bought to see what was left underneath. He decided that for 30 days he would only use what was in one single box he kept aside. He opened the box. Inside was not what you'd expect. A worn copy of his favorite book, a simple, durable hiking backpack, a journal and a pen, and a framed photo of him and his grandmother laughing. The things he kept were not the most expensive or the most trendy. They were the most him. The first week was hard. Felt the phantom limb of his phone, the urge to buy, to post, to show. But by the second week, something shifted. The less he had, the more he saw. The less he consumed, the more he created. He was no longer performing a life. He was living one. He was sitting in a park, totally lost in his book. He was hiking a beautiful trail, looking tired but exhilarated. He was writing in his journal. He was volunteering at a community garden, laughing with other people. He called his grandmother again, and this time he was animated, telling her about his hike, the people he met, the things he was learning. He sat in his empty apartment as the sun set, casting this warm glow. And he looked around, not at a void, but at a space full of possibility. He smiled a genuine, peaceful smile. He wrote in his journal, "I spent years trying to build a personality out of products. I thought if I owned the right things, I would become the right person. But I had it backwards. The real you isn't something you buy. It's what's left when you strip all of that away." So, this is my first de-influencing video, and I'm starting with everything. You don't need the latest phone. You don't need that 10-step skincare routine. You don't need a closet full of clothes you'll wear once. What you need is you, your curiosity, your kindness, your courage. The things we own end up owning us. They take up our space, our time, our energy. De-influencing isn't about hating things. It's about loving yourself more. It's the radical act of believing that you are enough just as you are. Because your worth is not defined by what you own. It's defined by who you are when you have nothing left to hide behind. Thanks for watching. If this story resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more stories that matter. You are enough.